In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace an image by uploading a new photo from your computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap out an image using the fill controls on the right side of your workspace, quickly and confidently. Start by clicking on the image you want to change. Make sure it's actually selected. You'll usually see a highlight, a blue outline, or resize handles around it. If the image isn't selected, the options you need won't appear. So this first click is essential. Now direct your attention to the right side of the screen. This is where most design and presentation tools keep the properties for whatever you've selected. Look for a section labeled Fill. If you don't see it immediately, it may be collapsed. Just expand it so you can access the controls inside. Click on Fill to open its options. Depending on your application, you might see a small thumbnail of the current image, a color swatch, or a button that indicates image settings. What you're looking for is the option to upload a new image from your device. Next, choose Upload from Computer. This will open your file browser where you can navigate to the photo you want to use. Take a moment to pick a file that's clear and appropriately sized. Common formats like JPG and PNG are typically supported. If you're replacing a large banner or background, a higher resolution image will help it look crisp. Select the new photo and confirm by clicking Open. The software will immediately apply the photo to your selected image, replacing what was there before. You may notice it automatically scales, fills, or crops to fit the shape or frame of the original. That's normal and part of how fill works. If the result looks too zoomed in or off-center, you can try a different photo that better matches the shape or adjust its positioning within the fill panel if your tool offers that control. If you click Upload from Computer and nothing happens, double check that the image is still selected. If the option is grayed out, it usually means you're not on an image layer or the fill you open belongs to a different object, like a background or shape color. Reselect the image and try again. And that's it. Click the image, head to the right side, open Fill, choose Upload from Computer, and select your new photo. With these simple steps, you can refresh any design quickly and keep